One, two, three.
Hello everyone, happy Saturday. I believe June 13th, right?
No, 14.
Huh?
14.
Oh, 14, okay. So I'm on a road trip to San Francisco and then tomorrow heading to Portland, Oregon. Alright, so it's a long road trip that I planned it probably like a few months ago. Basically to see my mom and my sister, brothers back in Oregon. Alright, so wish me luck. Ciao. Hey, finally we are here at Richmond, California. My friend's house. Very nice weather, beautiful. And the backyard, luscious greenery. And that's Richmond, yeah. That's the Richmond, California.
Look at how beautiful it is, guys.
Beautiful, yeah, you can see the views. It's all mountain, right? Oh, nice.
Ciao.
Hi everyone, happy Monday everybody. Hope you guys having a great start of the week. I'm at the Oregon coast, my sister house, and for vacation for 1 week. So I will be exploring Oregon and Wednesday, Thursday to Vancouver, Canada. Ciao. Oh yeah, morning Tuesday, June 17, hiking at Knoll Trail, Oregon coast. Beautiful weather. All right. Ciao. So this is what it is, Oregon coast, Pacific Ocean. We just covered the trail, 2 hours. We have to still go down, where we kept the car parked. All right, see the pine trees. Very nice weather today. Tuesday, I believe June 17th. All right, see. And very, very nice weather today. And vast ocean. You can check it out. And see there. A lot of houses there. Over there, I'll show you that. That's Devil's Lake. It's called Devil's Lake. Let me just zoom in. That's Devil's Lake. All right. And see all the houses there. My buddy, like she's waving. Wow. This is how it looks like. Cool. Vast ocean, right? There we go. Other people coming. As you can see, enjoy the trail. All right. Hours from Portland, Oregon to Richmond, California. Lexia's house. We finally reached at 6:22 p.m. today, Saturday, June 21st. Are we very happy, safe and sound? Are you?
How do you feel?
I feel good, very good. I drove like 5 hours, and Lexi drove 5 hours, so we did
only 4 hours.
4 hours. We kind of, divide it into two, so we don't get fatigue. And I'm perfectly fine. Now we are back home to Lexi house, and I will relax, chill, and then leave tomorrow early 6 o'clock in the morning. Tomorrow, yeah, because you can't drive too much. I also say don't do that.